Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Really moving in slow motion at the moment, as many other coins as well. Also here XRP has been in a range for, well, nearly a month now, like Bitcoin. Here we have a possibility that I'm tracking due to the trend line on which the XRP price is, let's say, residing, that we take the more corrective route to the upside, I should say, so that XRP goes a little higher before actually coming down. Yeah, the overall assumption on the XRP chart is that price will still go a little lower and could even go below the 30-cent level, or 29-cent level, below the June 22 low. Now, this assumption, as it is well outlined on this chart with this roadmap, this assumption is only valid as long as price stays below the 54-cent level, below the 78.6 retracement. Above that level, this 1-2 setup that I have sketched out on the chart goes too high to be reliable. And we would then look at maybe we have to reset this entire corrective move higher. And we explained in previous videos that then a rally into the 73-75 region would be likely in a higher B wave. Now, this is at the moment not the primary expectation, and if we see that coming, then we will explain that again in more detail. At the moment, this is purely a possibility, but we don't really want to focus on all the possibilities that are out there. We want to focus on what's probable. And there are two probable scenarios in the short term. There is one in which we see price move according to this microstructure highlighted here. Basically, that of the 13th of June low, price came down in a wave 1. We see this WXY structure on the chart, and that we're now in this Y wave to the upside. Very weak upside momentum though, but it could be a corrective move as a WXY structure. And this is the first possibility. And then as soon as it gets a little higher, in this resistance area, this would be a target area that could be observed between 50.7 and 54 cents. That if we see this corrective move up, we should then see a reaction in this area. Yeah, this is resistance. A break above resistance would force a different interpretation of the chart. But until then, we could see corrective move up, highlighted here in the micro count, where we have where we look at the WXY structure. We're basically in this Y wave. In the Y wave, we have a WXY. And in that Y wave, another WXY, and then in the Y wave, an ABC. Now, that's a super micro count, completely unreliable. Still added it to the chart to give you an idea how this could work out. This move to the upside based on what I see at the moment. But don't focus so much on the micro count. It indicates we're now in a B wave, which could result in a C wave rally. Second likely scenario is that price breaks below the 45-cent level. And that is the low that was made already on the 30th of June. If price breaks below that level, it would also take out the trend line to the downside. And it would be likely that we are already going down directly. Yeah, based on this chart, the trend is actually down, at least here in the short term. We've made lower lows here recently, lower lows, lower highs. But you also need to understand that taking the whole thing into account here, price has literally just been moving in a range, and it's not a very reliable count therefore. Yeah, but if we break about below that trend line, that is a confirmation that the trend immediately would shift further to the downside. So that's currently the likely interpretation. Again, it's not a very reliable wave count. Things can change quickly on this chart. So in summary, there's first of all a chance that, or high probability that price goes a little higher before coming down, or if we break below 45 cents, we should go down immediately. But we have to really take it level by level on this XRP chart, because we don't really see any impulse, which would give us a very clear sense of direction here on this chart. All right, that's my update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.